Hello guys, this is Frank, the Anointed FX, and this is our weekly outlook on currency pairs, metas, indices, crypto, and every other tradable instrument. And this is an Elliott wave analysis. It's an advanced Elliott wave analysis. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, click the subscription button now and click the bell icon so that you get our video whenever we post them. And also give this video a top like. Thank you as you do that. Without wasting time, let's go to the business of the day. This is disclaimer that this channel is for educational purposes, and all the videos, presentations, and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. So guys, good to know that trading is a very risky type of business. Before you venture into trading, make sure you understand risk management. And if that is difficult for you, I think I have a video on risk management in this very channel. So guys, we have VIP groups where we share our personal trade. And if you go to our short videos in this channel, you will see the results in the VIP groups. If you go to our Telegram channel, we see the results in VIP group. So we also like you to join our Telegram channel. The link to that Telegram channel is on the description of this video. And that is all for now. So let's move on to the business of the day. This is DSY. This is the daily time frame of DSY. Looking at it, you see that DSY is on a very big correction. On a correction of A. This is wave A, B, and it's coming to do C. And inside this C now, we are at wave 4 because this C is supposed to be a 5-wave down. And looking at it, we're at this wave 4. Okay, let me expand it a little bit. Let me expand it for everybody to see it clearly. Let me expand it well. I think it's okay now. Okay, you can see clearly this is the wave 1. This is the 1. This is the 2. And this is the 3. And here is where I mark for wave 4. You can see this place. It's where I mark for wave 4. And when you look at it, you can see the price, the market has came to that marked area and then pull back. So what are we now expecting? Is it time for us to find our wave 5 down? Probably we will not know now until the market decides. Because what I'm seeing in the market is two possible things that may happen. Number one is that it may come to this my marked area, this zone I marked, and then give us the wave 5 we are looking for. That's what number one thing I expected in DSY. Number two thing is that I expected it to come up to here, use this liquidity, and then come to this that 8.20%. From there now reverse and give us the wave 5. So these two possible things I am expecting in DSY. And that is all for this DSY for now. The lower time frame of this chart will be shared on our Telegram channel. So you join the Telegram channel, you will get to see them, all of them. Okay, this is a Euro US dollar, Euro US dollar, Euro US dollar. So this is Euro US dollar, and this Euro US dollar, I've been expecting the wave 4 also. Like I always said, that Euro US dollar is an inverse of DSY, inverse of dollar index. So when you are trading Euro dollar index, you are indirectly trading Euro US dollar. So when you are trading US dollar, you are indirectly trading dollar index. So that is how it runs. So looking at it, you can see I've come to my marked area, which is wave 4. So what am I expecting? I am expecting it to give me a drop towards this line, a drop from here to here. That is what I'm expecting. And then boom, to continue. Or you come down here, clear this low, and then reverse from here, and boom. That is two possibilities in this euro US dollars. That is two possibilities in US dollar. But quote me, the wave 4 is complete. Don't think of selling again. I believe the selling is over and the bullishness will continue next week. So don't fall into trap of selling. Even if you are selling, be watchful of this area, this zone, and this very zone. So that two zone, be watchful of it. That is all for Euro US dollar. Okay, this is Great Britain. Great Britain US dollar. So am I really expecting Great Britain US dollar? If you watch my video last week in this pair, where I said that it's going to, when it was here, I said that it's going to drop to this very box. You can see this box that I marked here. I expected to drop into the box, but it came inside the box halfway and then pull up, break this channel, come up here also, and then reverse back. So what am I expecting in Great Britain? Two things actually. Number one is to come here, this very low, and then get a buy setup and continue. Or come below this very place, come to 50% of this line, take here as liquidity, and then get another buy setup. So that two possibilities I am looking at for I'm looking at in the Great Britain US dollar. So, but the one I favor first is this first one. This first one is what I am looking at first to happen. So I think I have some pending order there already. You have not come to trigger them, but you can see that it take away some liquidity here and go up. I want it to come back again to trigger the orders and then take me to the place that is good. So that is all for Great Britain. Okay, this is an Australian dollar US dollar. So what am I really expecting there? You can see it clearly on my chart. Looking at it, this is an impulse 5 wave to here, and this is A, this is B, and I'm expecting a C that will come to this very point. Even if it did not make it to 50%, that it came to that 8%, it is good to go. If I see a setup here, I buy. If I see a setup here, I buy. But I expect it to drop. So even if you come here and this very place and give me a setup here, I will buy. So I expect it to break this low. And any setup I see down this place, I'll take it and buy it for higher places. That is all for this pair. Great Britain, Australian US dollar. Okay, this is a US dollar Japanese yen. Looking at it, you can see that this is a complete correction. This whole places, this from here to here is a complete three-wave correction, which is A, B, and C. You see that it's a complete correction. So, but I did not believe that the correction is over. So I believe that the correction of uh this correction is not yet over. So what am I expecting? Number one thing I'm expecting the market to come up here and then drop to this very point, this place, and pick some buy orders and come up again before selling continue. That is what I expected. I expected it to be a W, X, and Y. That is what I'm expecting in this very pair. But you know that the market has the financing. Another thing I'm expecting here is that markets may on Monday come up a little bit, drop to this very place, then come here before continue. That's another expectation, another possibility in this way. And the third one is that market may decided to drop it to here, this very point, and give us another bullish move to this very place. It will not break there. It will not break this place. It will come because that place is another block. Come to that other block and then continue selling. That is what I am expecting. So these three expectations, just keep your eye open. Just follow your charts. Know that the first correction wave has completed and it's near 50%. It's not up to 50%, it's just near 50%. But the correction is 100% complete. So that implicates the correction that is not over. So I expected it to come down. This is my first one to this very place. And gives me another buy to this very place to 50% to this very other block. Let me mark the other block. Well, this is another block. It's a very big order block. It's a daily order block and it cannot be joked with. So market coming close to it and then drop is it's a kind of engineer liquidity. And look at the liquidity that I have taken out and it's coming down. So engineer that liquidity close to that other block. So there is possibility of market coming back to that place, that other block, and then drop. But I expected it to drop more before coming back. I think that is all. I hope I did not confuse you here in this US dollar Japanese yen. If you have questions, you can feel free to ask your question in the comment section of this video. Okay, Great Britain, yeah, almost the same thing. You can see where I marked it and it came halfway and it's going down. So I expect it to complete this move. It has not even complete his own first move. It has not even completed his own first move. So I expect it to complete the move. But before it will complete it, it may come towards here, close this fair value gap, then drop to this very point, this very place, this other block, pick some order there, then continue. That is what I'm expected in this Canada Japanese yen. That is my expectation. If it doesn't play out this way, I will leave it. If it fall directly to this very place, I will look for buy setup here. If I didn't see, I'll allow it to go. But if I see, I'll buy it from here up. That is all for this pair. Let us not waste so much time. The update of these pairs, I'll update of them in lower time. I'll update of them in lower time to like 4 hours, 1 hour in my Telegram channel. So the link of the Telegram channel is in the description of this video. So go there and take a look at what is happening by Sunday. Okay, this is a US dollar Swiss francs, one of my favorite pair. Who am I really expecting here? Well, I expected the markets to come up here, this very place, and then drop again, drop directly, or come up this very place, drop. There are two possibilities, but market can decide to do any of them. This is the first one. This is the second one. So watch out for market, what we do. You understand, guys? So it may come up to this market line, which is 84,350, and then drop, or come up to this very place and marked, which is 85,197 for a drop. That is what I am expecting in the US dollar Swiss francs. Canada Swiss francs. Canada Swiss francs. He have not completed his own again here. I'm expecting to come up to this place and make an 100% complete correction and become a wave 4 before drop to wave 5. That's what I'm expecting. And this thing may take, it must take away this high. It's a liquidity there that needs to be taken away. Once it's taken away that liquidity, then a drop will come. That is what I'm expected in Canada, Swiss, France. So this is which pair is this? Okay, Hero Japanese yen. My Hero Japanese yen. When you look at Hero Japanese yen, you see where I expected it to come. He has not been there, so I'm not backing out. I'm not backing out yet until you get to that point before a bigger sell. They say that will come there, it's going to be huge. So I'm not selling it now. I'm looking for opportunity to buy itself. So what am I expecting in this very pair? I'm expecting a reversal to come from here. A reversal here or here. It may take this low out and give me a reversal toward this line. This is where I will be looking for a very big sell. This very zone. Let me mark it well. Let me mark it. Let me not mark it with drawings. Let me mark it this very zone. It's a zone to look for sell. That is where the bigger sales will come. So I'm expecting it to pick some order either here or low of here. Pick some order and then come to this place and then give me a very big sell where I can sell down. That sell is going to last, going to be a very huge one. And going to be a swing trade, a long-term trade, and it's going to make a lot of money. So that is all for this Great Britain Euro Japanese yen, sorry. Great Britain Japanese yen. Of course, you can the analysis. If you have been following my channel, you have seen this analysis before, and you can see it coming gradually to that very point. So what am I expecting? You can see where I am marked, and the market has come to that very place that I am marked for reversal. So what am I expecting? A movement from here to that place. That's what I'm expecting. And from this very place, we are going to see a setup where we will say it very down and very hugely. And it's going to be a very good trade. So I will look for buy by next week, buy to this very place before I sell. That is what I'm expected in this Great Britain Japanese yen. Okay, this is our US30 index. Although I expected it to give me a deeper correction, but the market says otherwise. And the correction is over here. Looking at it, you can see that this small correction is going up. So this is the fourth wave, and you're waiting for 5 waves before we see another fourth wave. Can you see that, guys? You can see that this is there, this is 4. And what are we expecting? I'm expecting the market to continue up to here and gives me another correction, which is going to be 4, another fifth. Then before a bigger correction will now come and continue going. That is what I'm expected in this, the Jones Industrial Averaging. This is NASDAQ. NASDAQ. I expect NASDAQ to go up and gives me complete wave 3. And that is what exactly do. But it didn't give me wave 4. So this is wave 3 and it's still coming. I think the wave 3 is not yet over. It may as well reach this very point. So let's move this one up. It may stop here. It may stop here. The way I'm seeing, the way it's moving, I don't see it coming down. So the wave 3 may come towards here before giving us 4 and then continue. So that is what I'm expecting here. The wave 3 is going to reach that 173,000 before coming down towards 21 again or 20 something as a correction. You understand, guys? So here will be our 4 and then we'll see our 5. So that is what I'm expected that's what I'm expecting in this NASDAQ. So guys, for this NASDAQ, this is DEX index, German DEX. So the same thing I expected, but the market give me a shallow correction. So the shallow correction, it came and take away the liquidity here and then form up. So I'll call here my wave 4, call here my wave 3. The wave 3 is also shallow. I said the wave 4 is so shallow. So what am I expecting? A continual movement up. By Monday, you continue to go up, continue to go up till you get to this very point. Then when you get here, it'll give us a bigger correction before continue. That is what I'm expected. That's what I'm expecting in the this index. Okay, this is Australian dollar Japanese yen. As expected, the pair has broken the trend line. You can see we are a market that is going to come up there, and it has done that already. So what am I expected now for you to do again? I expected it as you have touched the trend line for it to continue again up. Once it closes above this level, you're going to correct again towards here and come up again, come back again, and come up again before a correction will now, before a reversal will now come. It's a symbol of reversal. So wash it out. Up, down, up, down, up, down before a reversal will now come. That is what I'm expecting in this Australian dollar Japanese yen. Australian dollar Japanese yen. The full chart, the premium chart will be share free on our Telegram channel. So go for it. Good. Good, 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 good. So this is the most happening pair in a in trading market, the most happening pair. And everybody want to trade gold because gold derivative is very huge and it can make you a very big money in a short time. But the gold is also very risky to trade. I don't even trade gold. Just analyze them. I don't trade it. Before I trade gold, I will make sure that my analysis is 100% before I trade it because it's not something to toy with. Looking at this page, we can see the first correction A, B, C, which is W. So I'm expecting with X. Sometimes with X can be very sharp. Sometimes it can be very skinny, like this before an hand drop. So that's what I'm expected in this very good. I hope you understand. I'm expecting to come up here and give me with X in a cutoff here. Then from this very place, CSS setup, I sell it to with W. Oh, sorry, with Y here. That is where with 4, with 5 we continue to come. Since when Trump tariff issue has subsided, I can notice that gold has been down. What fuel gold movement is uncertainty in economies like trade wars, like anything that is uncertainty, gold tend to move without that. So now that Trump has quieted down on tariff and Ukraine Russia war has been quieted down, don't expect gold to be going up again. It will go up, but that movement will not be like all this movement that has happened before time. So this one may be sluggishly, it may be also sharp like this. So depending. So, but I'm looking at buying gold next week. I'm buying it to this very point. To break this high. Once it break this high, I will be out and then look for a setup down to this 38% Fibro ratio. That is all for good. Silver. Silver has been a thorn to my neck. I've been expecting silver to give me a deep correction here where I can buy it comfortably and joyfully and then for another up. But it has been so sluggishly to give me what I want. So what am I going to do with silver by next week? Looking at it, this is wave A, this is A, B, and C. And they come down to that 8 again, pull back on that 8 again. So I don't feel like buying it. I don't feel like buying it. Although I expected it to come up here to break this low, to break this high, sorry, and continue going up. But I don't feel like buying it because it doesn't give me what I expected. What am I expecting? I'm expecting it to give me, come up a little bit, then drop to here, give me a buy setup from this very place. It have been this candle. I'd have been here. I'll confidently buy it by next week hold it for like 2 weeks. I'm going to make out of it. But this kind of movement, I don't like the way he did it. He refused to come to this very place to give me something I expected. And there is another block there. Look at the other block there. There is another block that is there. This is another block with a very good fair value gap. Can you see that? So this follow block has already confirmed that there are many orders lying here waiting. The big orders have been waiting here, but he has refused to come. So I won't jump in. I will follow the big players, wait for it here until they come here. That is all for saver. Okay, this is BTC. Of course, I told you about BTC that's going to come down, give me a correction before going up. But looking at it, BTC has refused to come deeply down, although it did some correction. And that correction was too shallow for me. But all the while, market has the finest say. You will not tell market what to do. Market will decide what it wants to do. You only speculate what market is about to do. But at the end of the day, market will do what you wish that is right for it to do. So that is why you must always manage your risk and always use stop loss. So I think it did a triangle. That's gonna be a triangle there. It looks like a triangle kind of correction. So you may be expecting a you may not be because we are already on the weekend and it normally move on Saturday, Sunday, and normally move up on the weekend. Sorry, not good. Crypto normally move on weekend. So expect it to break up here. Then another expectation is to expect it also to break down here. Then get a order here. Boom. So these two will either it break up here or it comes down here and continue. That is what I'm expected. I'm expecting in BTC. Sorry guys. Ethereum. Ethereum. So I'm expecting a small correction in Ethereum. I was ready to take away the liquidity that is here, pick some order here, and then boom. That's what I'm expecting here in Ether. I think that is where we are going to pipe down. Okay, guys, this is all. That is all for this now. If you want to get the full details of the charts of this video, join our Telegram channel. The link is on the description of this video. And if you want a one-on-one mentorship, my contact is on the link description of this video. So hit me up. Remember to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumb like. I wish you happy trading and I wish you success. Bye for now.